Hi, my name is Desiree Carroll from Keller Williams Real Estate. I'd like to welcome you to this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial on 1.4 acres. Check out this amazing kitchen with distressed cabinets, granite countertops, and tiled backsplash. The large eating kitchen opens to the family room with access to the backyard. The French doors will lead you to the formal living room in the front of the house, which features wide plank hardwood floors. This first floor master bedroom offers a vaulted ceiling, 2 walk-in closets, and a master ensuite with a soaking tub. The first floor is completed with a formal dining room, powder room, and convenient first floor laundry. The second floor has 3 spacious bedrooms, a full bath, and a loft that can be used as a bonus area for an exercise room, a game room, or a study. Come check out this amazing backyard with paver patio, above ground swimming pool, and shed. For more information, please feel free to call us at 610-435-3155.